How to fix note feature not showing. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that what you can do if your notes feature is not showing on your Messenger app. What you have to do is open your app store, and here you have to search for Messenger in the search box and click Messenger. Now you can see that my Messenger is not updated. I have to update it because notes feature is available in the latest version. Once this is updated, I'm going to show you what to do next. Now here you can see that my Messenger is now updated. I'm going to go back to my Messenger app, and now here I'm going to click this settings option, and you can see that the Messenger notes option is still not showing. So what you can do is just go scroll down and click report a problem over here, and then click report anyway, and then click don't include. Here you have to briefly explain what the problem is. I'm going to write notes option not showing, and then just click send, and you can see that I have submitted my report, and now Messenger is going to solve this problem for me in a couple of days, and then I can use my notes feature on Messenger. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.